Hey guys, what's up? I'm so excited to show you some slimy fun today. Oh my gosh, look at all these different types of slime. We've got fluffy slime, clear slime, and even glittery slime. Let's stretch it out and see how far it goes. Whoa, did you hear that crunchy sound? That's so satisfying. Now watch this. I'm gonna mix in some cool colors and add a ton of glitter. This is gonna be epic.